Ito po, ganito po ang paggamit ng OpenVPN for Globe users on iPhone. So, download all this 1, 2, 3. Install the first one, yung pang unzip. Tapos yung second one yung OpenVPN. Tapos number 3 yung Mediafire. Yan. Tapos ito na po yung lalabas. Yung iZip, then OpenVPN. Once na download nyo na po yung Mediafire, open this iZip. Just close yan. Tapos lalabas naman po doon sa Mediafire yung files, zip. Tapos ito, Skynet iOS.zip. Click nyo lang po yan, lalabas etong folder na to, Skynet iOS. Click nyo yung Skynet iOS, then choose kung Globe, kasi Globe ako, Globe TM promo, no promo, tsaka Globe TM with promo. Just choose Globe TM no promo. Tapos choose na po kayo ng server. Choose Singapore. Tapos open in, copy to OVPN. Since naka-save na yun sa akin, I'll just click on cancel, back. Then pag connect po, use OpenVPN. Lalabas na dyan yung Singapore. You just need to type in your username and password. Then click on save, then connect. Since I'm connected on Singapore 2, you could see Globe LTE, tapos VPN on the other side. There, LTE VPN. You could check here sa settings. Tapos VPN. Connected ako dun sa Singapore 2. So that's the process on using the OpenVPN. Just download all these 3 files on iTunes, then the Mediafire. Then just zip that one. Then just use the iZip and OpenVPN file. That's all. Thank you.